A reading corner mat is made from two rectangles in one row. The left rectangle has area 12 square centimeters. It is 3 centimeters wide. The whole row is 8 centimeters wide. What is the area of the shaded rectangle on the right? Pause the video. Try it before I show the trick. Here is a hint. The two rectangles share a side. What does that tell you? Look at the wall between the two rectangles. They share it, so both rectangles have the same height. That is the principle. Same shared side means same length. We just need to find what that height is. The left rectangle has area 12. Its width is 3, so its height is 12 divided by 3. That equals 4 centimeters. And because the wall is shared, the right rectangle has height 4 too. Now find the shaded width. The whole row is 8 centimeters wide. The left part is 3. So the shaded part is 8 minus 3. That equals 5 centimeters. The shaded area is 4 times 5. That is 20 square centimeters. This is the shared side rule. Every area maze starts with one unlock moment. Dividing a known area by a known side reveals a hidden side. Tonight, the shared height. 12 divided by 3 equals 4. Use that 4 for the shaded width, and the answer falls out. Find the unlock first. The rest falls into place. Learn, compete, and win. Visit competitivekids.org.